In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Favicon to your website. Here it is. This is the Favicon and there's none. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to also show you how to generate one. If you already have one, make sure to skip 30 seconds ahead. Now let's create a new tab. Search Favicon generator in our favorite browser. Look for this one, which called realfavicongenerator.net. Now you can check your Favicon or create it. So for example, select your Favicon image and upload this. But to generate one, and say you don't have any generated image or you don't have any reference image, head to this website favicon-generator.org. Right here, you'll be promoted with this page. You're going to have a keyword or letter. For example, I'm going to, as our website's called just example, I'm going to choose E, and then I'm going to choose a color, for example, white, as I'm targeting people with black theme. And then I'll be able to choose from 10 of those images. For example, this E looks good. I'm gonna click on download right here, and my download should start. As you can see, here is my Favicon. Now head to your website, click on customize, search for site identity. You can either find it here in general, for example, as you can see right here, or site identity. In this theme, I can find site identity under header, site identity, and then choose the site icon. Click on select files and then upload your respected file. And then click on select. After that, click on it and you'll be good to go, you guys. That's basically it for downloading and having Favicon on your website. Thanks for watching and goodbye.